Hey guys, all right, let's take a look and see what we got here today. So, and Marco's a little bit all over the place today. There are definitely trades in there, but it just seems like we're in a little bit of a scalper's market. For a long time we were in the, such a solid uptrend, and then, right, things have changed. And then we had a nice solid downtrend for a few weeks, right, which was very tradable as we were just going down every day. We're in a little bit of a congestion spot here as we're kind of basing out, and so that puts us in a box or a little bit of a range, which makes trading trickier because it's more of a trendless environment, at least short term. And so that's kind of what you've seen the last 2 days. We came right into resistance, hit the top of the range, and then, right back down. We came back and almost tested the bottom of the range. And it's just been a tricky trader. I mean, yesterday, at least for me, was very frustrating. Today, we definitely had the plays right. I was a little bit tight on a couple of them. But, that's just part of the game. Sometimes when you're a little bit averse to risk, you just stop out of things a little bit earlier than you should. And I did that a couple times today because I just wasn't having, I was having a trouble getting a read on the intraday action, which, if you're looking here, it's like, we open down, flush, break below 1300, right? And then it's like, boom, we bounce, and you think, all right, game on. But, this was a pretty big bounce here. And so pull back, run again, and then, right at the end, we give a lot of it back. So a little bit of foolery going on, but overall it was tradable, right? Because, you had this gap down and a big flush and then a bounce, and a first pullback that actually got bought and then a go. So there was definitely some action today, which is better than most days. Yesterday was just straight down the whole day, and I'd much rather have a market where things are going back and forth. Let's take a look at the stocks, some stocks here. I'm watching Dexo tomorrow. This one looks like had a nice day today. Looks like it's bottoming out here. Look for this pop over maybe one. See if this bad boy can get going. AMRS is flagging here. I definitely like the look of this. Keep this on your watch list. BPZ, this thing, even with oil getting nasty, this thing just won't give up, Huge range here, 40 cents. So it looks like this 200-day moving average is acting as a huge lid. I'm thinking if it can break over it, we might have a play here and a run to 360. But regardless, you can see the volatility in the stock has been increasing for some reason the last few weeks. And so it's definitely going to be a good trader regardless. AXTI, look for a break over 4. We could have a bottom bounce here. Siggy Bear's flagging. It's hard to see it from the daily, but if you look at more on some smaller time frames, you'll catch a nice flag that could definitely be played. I think it'll squeeze some shorties in that one. JKS, looking for a move over 4 to trigger a trade. It looks like it's bottomed out here, at least short term. And, we definitely could have a day trade in this thing. UPI, still got this on short watch. I almost took the short today, but I chickened out, and it totally rebounded. If this thing gaps up again and makes it go, I'll look for another, kind of green to red play on it. RJet, with oil tanking, these airlines have been picking up. This thing breaks over 550, should be a go. Chem, nice bottom bounce here, It just got, once it comes out of this range, should be good to go. SGI, look for this $6 mark's going to be huge. We've bottomed out. We're starting to flag. Look for a run over 6. CBEY, nice move here. 6 is the area of interest. Look for a pop over 6. That could get this thing going. SIGM, still looking for the range break. Arna, this one could squeeze some shorts. If it gaps up, I'm leaning short towards it. If it opens up weak and makes a go out of it, this thing could start running back to highs. JVA, lovely looking stock here, needs to break over 8. AQ, got this for on watch for a short rubber band setup. AMBT, also on watch for a short rubber band setup. The stock's doubled in a matter of days. INVN, if it breaks this low, I'll look short. If it breaks the top of the range, I'll be looking long. FN's looking good. Look for a break over 12. And then we've got AH, which is flagging here. It's a little bit messy, but definitely looks like it can be a go. Got this